everybody. It's Cheryl Abels coming to you live from Cabo San Lucas. We've had a wonderful time so far. We're just leaving today, day 2, going on to Puerto Vallarta tomorrow, and what a beautiful, beautiful place to be. Today as we're hanging out in Cabo, looking at the beautiful scenery, enjoying the million dollar yachts and property, and just looking from afar. I've been thinking about each and every one of you and how excited I am for all of us to be a part of ViSalus. And as I was lounging on the beach today, I tell you, I went through this entire magazine, and if you haven't had a chance to do so, you've got to get your hands on this tool, because it's a phenomenal tool that explains so much more about ViSalus, where it's been, where it is, where it's going, why, and the culture. Not to mention the products, why they're selling the way they are. But you guys, I'm telling you, out of everything in this magazine, it's all about the culture. It's all about the culture and what ViSalus is all about. When we got back to the room, we checked our online, the coolest little things that are available via the internet and via your phone, to see another almost $2,000 deposited, and this is only our 2nd week. So we're super excited about ViSalus. You guys, get a copy of this and make sure you read it and get it into people's hands and encourage them to read it as well. So we're gonna come back to you tomorrow from Puerto Vallarta, and then remember guys, we're all going on a cruise in August. Anyone who signs up on the $4.99 or the $9.99 pack can get to go with us on the cruise in August. More details coming real soon.